Kayleen McCaw here, the old white lady. So, what does that mean anyway? Well, old doesn't mean I'm used up. It means I'm grown up. And if I'm grown up, that means I get to be everything I wanted to be when I grew up. Bam! Because I wanted to be happy and I wanted to be magic. I'm white. I can't change that, but I can change feeling like it's something I should apologize for. See, if you go back far enough, our ancestors came from the Caucasus Mountains in Russia. That's why they call us Caucasians. Well, it turns out that the Caucasian people gave the world the word shaman. A shaman is the village wise elder magician who keeps everybody in track with the sacredness of the life cycle and of the turning of the earth, who makes magic and fixes things for people. I'll be white if that's what that means. And yes, I am a lady. Now, that does not mean I always keep my knees together. It does not mean I speak quietly and do my best not to offend anybody. No, it means I am the female version of a lord. I am the lady of the house, the woman in charge. It is an honorific title that I will not despise simply because it has been used improperly. They call me Our Lady Melody, because truth comes to me in a musical form. So that's who the hell I am. This old white lady has a gift for you. It's called The Next Step. If you click on the button up above, I'll send you a copy of it. I'll tell you all about why it's called that, what it is, how to take it, and how that can set you on the road to making it magic. 'Cause, go ahead. Go ahead. 'Cause don't you want it to be magic? Go ahead. Take the next step. Why not make it magic?